Piyush, of course, continues to stay with us from Janakpuri. Amandeep is live with us this morning from Chandigarh, and Sanjeevi joining us live from Chennai. Let me go across to Sanjeevi first, because there are two battles that Tamil Nadu is facing. One, of course, is COVID-19, where it's seen the second highest number of cases being recorded anywhere else in the country. Sanjeevi, Tamil Nadu is up against the wall in the battle against COVID-19. And secondly, we've had reports of how fishermen have been affected this morning because of the heavy rain showers, and the entire East Coast is battling a cyclone.
Well, exactly, Vijay. There are two issues in the state of Tamil Nadu. One is the corona, as you mentioned, where in fact the cases have crossed 11,000 mark in the state of Tamil Nadu, with almost 7,000 cases just in the Chennai city, in the capital town. So the lockdown rules of 4.0 is just similar like 3.0 is what we have to say. There is no major difference in 12 major districts in the northern part of Tamil Nadu, including Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, and cities which are closer to Chennai in the part of northern states, parts of Tamil Nadu, in fact, which are infected because of the Coimbatore cluster. Districts like Ariyalur, Tiruvannamalai are also in this red zone of 12 districts in the state of Tamil Nadu, where in fact the rules of 3.0 are still followed in 4.0. But 25 districts are relaxed this time because of the lower number of cases, is what the government has clearly mentioned. But apart from that,
Sanjeevi, there's some breaking news coming in. I'm sorry to interrupt you there, but I think there's a protest where Anuj is live from in Noida. Anuj, what's happening there behind you?
Well, exactly, Niranjan, at this point in time, I am in Sector 63 of Noida, and let me give you the sense what exactly is happening. Yes, this is the protest that is being done by the laborers who work in a government company. And there you can see the numbers of people, thousands of workers who have gathered here, who are protesting against their own company, and they're saying that they have been not given the overtime of the month of March and the salary of the month of April. So that's something what we are witnessing at this point in time, and this could be clearly seen. The numbers of laborers who have gathered here, and we are also seeing that the violation of the lockdown, violation of the rules could be clearly seen. Social distancing is not being maintained properly. Many of them are rather not even wearing the mask. That's something what we are understanding. The forces has been called, the police personnel has been called, and now they are trying to control the situation. What we have been told that the owner of the company has been informed about the same, that these people are protesting over here. These are the laborers, let me remind you again, who are protesting for not getting their salary of the month of April and the overtime of the month of the March. So after that, this is the after effect of the same, what we are seeing from Noida, Sector 63, where these people are protesting at this point in time, and these are thousands of laborers who have gathered here. They are sitting on Dhanna at this point in time. They have been asked to sit down by the forces. Let me also give you the sense of the security which is present, the police personnel which is present over here in Noida Sector 63, right outside the company. And there you can clearly see that they are trying to control these crowd, these laborers, and the announcement being made in again and again to maintain social distancing, to not to violate any kind of rule, because yes, we do understand that the fight which is against coronavirus is simply that we have to maintain the social distancing, and we do not have to gather in the group. The permission is not there, and that's something which is being said clearly by the Prime Minister himself, to follow the rules. But that's something which is called the violation. On the other hand, if we talk about the problem which is going on, then at that time, to understand it, we need to understand that this was a clear guideline by the government of India, that the labor should be provided with their salaries, they should not be thrown out, and they should be given the money. And because this is a lockdown time, so this need to be understood by the owner of the companies. But on the other hand, when we talk to the owner of the companies, then they are also saying that we even do not have the money to provide the same. This is the kind of problem what we are understanding. But the problem remains the same. That is something that this kind of gathering should not be there. At the end of the day, this should be avoided, because we are understanding the spike. If we talk about last 24 hours, this is the highest when we are talking about the spike. If we talk about the positive cases, and this exactly is one of the reasons when we talk about migrant laborers, they are moving in huge number, social distancing being not maintained, violation of the lockdown, violation of the rules is something which is coming out in the positive numbers, and the spikes in the numbers is the result. So that is something what we are understanding from the Noida sector 63. The ground level situation is this. Yeah, Niranjan.
Let me quickly go across to Amandeep as well. Let's stay with the pictures in from Noida. While we stay on the pictures in Noida on one side of the screen, let me go across to Chandigarh as well to get the latest update from Amandeep. Amandeep, is there clarity on what's allowed, what's not allowed? Has Chandigarh decided to lift any restrictions this morning?
Yes, Niranjan, today the administration is holding a very important meeting after getting the guidelines from the MHA, and today the Chandigarh administration will decide what would be allowed and what would not be allowed, just because from 7 AM till 7 PM was remain open, the city remain open in the lockdown 3.0 also. This is the kind of relaxation they have already set up for the residents, but now for another updates, for another relaxations, today they are going to hold the meeting. But the point is that the migrants who are standard in Chandigarh, process for sending them back has been taken into the speed. I can show you the visuals to give you the sense that how the administration is dealing with the migrants, just because this is the major concern of every city and every state, to send these migrants back to their native places. We are standing in right now interstate bus terminal sector 43, and this is the epicenter for the migrants, for their screening, for their documentations, for their everything, that before they board to the train they came here, they bring here, and after that they get screened here. Medical checkups are being done here with the norm of social distancing, and after that the Chandigarh administration taken them to the railway station and board them to the train. Today one train is leaving to Amethi from Chandigarh, and these all migrants belongs to Amethi. They got registered themselves with the administration through the helpline as well as the website, and after that they got the SMS, and that is the confirmation, so they can allowed to travel to their native places. And you can see how they are getting checked one by one. These are the health officials, administrations, and police also, to maintain the norm of the social distancing, just because administration has decided to gather all these migrants every day at this point, at this spot, and from here they will taken to the railway station, from where they are boarding the trains to their native places. Every day trains are leaving, just because administration has speed up the process of sending the migrants back to their native places, so that the other relaxations would be allowed. Otherwise, the administration has already decided to open up the industry, small industry in the city. In fact, 7 AM to 7 PM city remain open, from 10 AM to 6 PM till the shops are open, liquor vents are open, with the even and odd formula in lockdown 3.0. But the guidelines for the lockdown 4.0 are still pending for the Chandigarh, just because administration is going to hold the meeting and decide what kind of relaxation they can give to the city, just because 191 cases have been reported till date positive, and in fact the recovery rate is quite good in the Chandigarh. So relaxations will be decided accordingly, and in fact the public transport is also expected to open in the city only, and that's why they have speed up the process of sending the migrants back to their native places, so that the city remain the crowdless, just because these are the some centers where the massive crowd of migrants can witness. Yes, Niranjan.
Okay, thank you for joining us with those inputs. To all our reporters, we'll keep coming back to you. Quick check of the other top stories we're tracking this Monday morning as India witnesses and enters lockdown phase 4.